How to recover data from WeChat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover data from WeChat on both Android and iOS devices. Whether you've lost your chats or media, don't worry, I've got you covered with step-by-step instructions on how to recover everything with WeChat Backup. WeChat is one of the most popular messaging app, but sometimes data gets lost either by accident or due to a phone upgrade. If you've lost your WeChat data, don't panic. You can actually recover your chats, photos, videos, and other media by using WeChat's built-in backup feature. First, let's talk about WeChat's backup feature. You should always back up your WeChat data regularly to prevent data loss. On your Android device, open WeChat and tap on the Me at the bottom right tab. Tap on Settings and go to Chats. In the Chats menu, tap on Chat Backup. Then you'll find two options, that is backup and restore. Before recovering any data, I recommend backing up your WeChat first. Tap on backup and follow the instructions to back up your chats either to your phone or WeChat's cloud service. Now, after you've back up your data, let's move on to recovering your WeChat data. If you need to recover lost chats, images, or videos, tap on restore. WeChat will prompt you to select which data you want to restore, including your chat history and media files. And that's it. That's how you simply restore your WeChat data.